Alrighty everyone, this is our traditional cornbread dressing. In the South, we eat cornbread dressing. So, I've got it ready. I'm going to put some more turkey broth on top of this. I will have a link below with the description of the recipe. It does not fail. My family looks every year to this family tradition, and it is divine. So I will show you all what it looks like when it's done, and bon appetit from Louisiana. Bye-bye. All right, y'all, I'm browning my Bisquick to make a good gravy, a turkey gravy, and I'm going to use my broth. So let me show you what it looks like when it's done, because it's going to be divine.